Hello class, good morning. If last meeting we talk about algebraic expression, today our topic is solving equations. So you need to use what you've learned from last week. A sentence that contains an equal sign is called equation, and it's different from algebraic expression because an expression doesn't have an equal sign. Example, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. An equation can contain a letter or a variable. So, for example, n plus 5 is equal to 8. So these are examples of equations. So we have an equation here, n plus 5 is equal to 8. So let's find if this number 3 and 2 are solution of n plus 5 is equal to 8. We say that a number is a solution of a given equation if the value of the number, okay, if we're going to change it with 3, it is equal to 8. Or if we're going to change it with 2, it is equal to 8. Then the number is what we call is a solution. So let's try n is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2. So let's just replace the value, or let's just replace n into 3. 8 is equal to 8. It means that 3 is a solution. Next, let's try 2. n plus 5 is equal to 8. 2 plus 5 is equal to 8. 7 is not equal to 8. It means that 2 is not a solution. So, 3 is a solution, or 3 is the exact value of n, so that we can say that n plus 5 is equal to 8. Our first example is there are 2 bags of oranges and 3 pieces of oranges. Each bag has X oranges. How many oranges are there in each bag if there are 19 oranges in all? So for us to get the number of oranges in each bag, we should write it first in an equation. So 2 bags of oranges and each bag has X oranges. So let's say 2 bags plus 3. Then it says here that there are 19 oranges in all. So 2 bags plus 3 is equal to 19. Then bags is 4x, 2x plus 3 is equal to 19. So it means that this one, if you're going to multiply with 2 plus 3, the answer must be 19. So how can we get that? So we can think of a number that when you're going to multiply with 2, the answer plus 3 is equal to 19. Let's try 6. Or let's try 8. 2 times 8 is 16 plus 3. The answer is 19. So 16 plus 3, 19 is equal to 19. It means that the value of X is equal to 8, and we can say that 1 bag is equal to 8 oranges. Another way of solving this one is by getting the additive inverse of 3 or yung kabaliktaran ng 3. So the additive inverse of 3 is negative 3. So if that's so, then we can subtract negative 3 to 19 and remove 3 here. So ang matitira na lang 2x is equal to 19. Then the additive inverse of 3 is negative 3. So mawawala na itong positive 3. Then magiging negative 3 siya or its additive inverse. Then 2x is equal to 19 minus 3, 2x. 19 minus 3 is 16. You can divide both sides by 2 para ang matira na lang ay si x. So, x is equal to 8. It means that one bag is equal to 8 oranges or it has 8 oranges. The second example is mother bought 3 boxes of chocolate donuts and 2 strawberry donuts. If each box has 6 donuts, how many donuts did she buy altogether? So we can write it. It's like this one. Let's say we have 3 boxes plus 2 strawberry donuts. So this is the 3 boxes of chocolate donuts and 2 strawberry donuts. So we're going to find the number of donuts. Okay, the total number of donuts. So 3 boxes of chocolate donuts, and if each box has 6 donuts, so each box has 6 donuts. So if we're going to add this, 6, 12, 18 plus 2 strawberry, 1, 2. So 18 plus 2 is equal to 20. It means that there are 20 donuts altogether. Ronel bought 4 donuts. If each donut costs 24 pesos, how much he will pay for all the donuts? So let's say that N for how much he will pay for all the donuts. Since we have 4 donuts, then we can write 4. Then 24 pesos each. So for us to get the total times 24, or it can be written as, since we have 4 donuts and 24 pesos each, 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24, or 4 times 24. Then let's get the value of N by multiplying 4 to 24. So 24 times 4 times 4 is 16, carry 1, 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1, 96. It means that the total amount is 96 pesos. So Ronel will pay 96 pesos for 4 donuts. So next example is solve for the value of x, or solve for x in the equation x is equal to 18 minus 4. So in this case, this is very easy. Just get the difference of 18 and 4. So x is equal to 14. This is just the same with evaluate the expression 18 minus 4. The fifth example is find the product. The product of a number and 8 is 32. So a number, let's say that is n times 8 is equal to 32. So in this case, n times 8 is equal to 32. How can we get the answer? So since n times 8 is just the same with n 8 is equal to 32. So for us to get the value of n, just divide both sides by 8. So, then you may cancel 8. N is equal to 4. Or since multiplication is inverse of division, just divide 32 to 8. The answer is 4.